Well, after spending a week in Tucson, I came back and we were ready to get busy doing the next step. So our sink came in and we were able to finally get our countertops ordered. I'll show you what our sample looks like. This is what our sample looks like. It's going to be like a Carrera marble with some light gray veining in it. I think it's going to look really nice. And then once we got the countertops ordered, we went ahead and bought our flooring because it's going to take a couple weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks for our countertop to come in. So we thought we would go ahead and take this opportunity to get our flooring installed. I really like this. I think it looks really good. So this is kind of the opposite of what our countertops are going to look like. This is gray with white veining, and our countertop is going to be white with gray veining. And this is not a perfect match for our previous floor. We did not want to replace the tile on the steps and the foyer. So we left that, but I think this looks very good with it, very nice. And we were also able to get new register vents installed. Those are a pain, but they look really good once they're put up. And we were able to get part of our trim reinstalled. Not all of it. As you can see, we still have some painting that we'll have to do on that and some trim stripping on that. But we got most of it installed. And here, it's a little awkward. We had to cut that trim down because we couldn't open the cabinet door if we put in the full-size trim. So we cut that piece down lower so that it would all fit in. Like I said, a little awkward, but it's not terrible. And again, new register there. So now we are waiting for our countertop to come in so that we can do our dishwasher installation and get our sink installed. Little love notes written on the wall behind where the dishwasher is going to get installed. Fun stuff. I love that. And so my husband got the outlet installed behind the dishwasher. We didn't think about this when he was installing it, but it was a little awkward because having the outlet where the dishwasher actually goes, we had to get a special plug. Otherwise, it sticks out too far and we couldn't push the dishwasher in. So we had to get a 90-degree plug. Most of the time, it just gets plugged in underneath the sink with the garbage disposal. But we're not doing the garbage disposal. So we thought, we'll just put the outlet over here. So didn't really think about not being able to push it all the way back with the outlet in there, but we were able to get another outlet, so or not an outlet, but we were able to get a 90-degree plug, so now I think that's going to work out well. And we're ready to get all of this stuff installed. Overall, I love the new floor, and I think it looks amazing. My husband is very patient with me in getting all of this stuff installed. He's pretty awesome. Anyway, that is my little bit of an update for now. And now we wait for the countertops to come in. I don't know, we might try to put in our toe kicks before the countertops come in. Yeah, maybe the toe kicks, maybe the last of our trim because we only have a couple pieces left to put in. maybe we can get all that stuff done before the countertops come. And then we'll be done. So even though this was an accidental reno, I think it's coming together really well.